Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't ever miss an upload from me. My dream car, guys. It's gonna rain. I love it. That's his friend's car. They're in the backyard. We're still working on the boat. And I'm over here peeping out their car. Like, the wheels are so huge.
With the window rolled down.
Oh, the AC feels so good. I love this car. It smells so brand new. Wait, where's the key? You have the key for it?
Huh?
You have the key for it?
Press the button.
Press the button. Oh, okay, so fancy. There we go. Alright, so we're gonna go check on the boat. I'm gonna go in the backyard to see the progress. So how is the boat? Is it finished? Is it done?
No.
You got bit? Living in Florida. Yeah, I see the lizard. Yeah, I left it open so he can come out. Yeah. So he ended up cleaning it. Be careful, okay?
Real close, mommy, real close.
It's getting close and then we can take it out on the water. Real close. This is more like a party boat.
More like it's perfect for where we're at. I love that deck on it. And the seats, looks nice.
It looks, yeah, I like the color.
Nice, ready to go.
It's like, oh, it did come off.
Yeah, cleaned up. And you didn't use any of the soap or anything, you just like sprayed it.
Yeah, it did come out good. It came out really
Touch
good.
up this seat.
Are you excited to drive the boat?
I'm excited to put this.
To wet it?
Did you rescue somebody?
To rest. Alright, I am going to, oh, the lizard, oh my gosh. That is a big lizard.
Huh?
Oh my goodness, look at it.
Leave
That is
straighten this out.
huge.
That's
Yeah, the backyard needs a lot of help.
What's this going on there?
Well, we
No,
rinse.
that
No,
doesn't
don't
go in the
put that
water.
back.
with this kind of the fake wood.
That's what I had told you from before.
No, I still don't want to do it here.
Oh, you don't want it?
Because we don't know what we're doing with this.
It was low. The tide, the water was really down when they first brought the boat in, but now the water is rising. Honestly, I like it better when it's high tide.
They just don't have it right now.
He's on the phone. But yeah, I think the fake wood would look better along here.
Because that's going to likely stay how it is.
Most likely,
This,
yeah.
we don't know. Like, at one point we talked about putting a pool, so I don't want to put it in and rip it out. That's exactly why we do this.
Right.
Stop,
This
stop
might stay
moving.
though, even if a pool goes here.
This might stay.
It will definitely stay. This part will definitely stay because of the bar area, not the
So
barbecue area.
Maybe
This
when
would
we redo
definitely
this,
stay.
then we do the fake wood too.
Yeah, and then
Maybe leave that.
that would be like the hot tub over there, the jacuzzi. So the plan is to have pretty much a bunch of flowers, like colorful plants, flowers, not plants because I have a
You put
spot
that
for
in the
plants,
water.
but some flowers, and then maybe one day we'll get like what was here, a lime tree. Would that be too
it's gonna
big?
a little landscape. I don't know.
Probably a little landscaping, some, I think
Go
more
get some
flowers.
gas.
Daddy's gonna go to the gas station. Let's go inside.
I gotta go get some more gas.
Here, take your
You
shoes
give me
off.
a pound.
Oh, go give Daddy a pound. He wants a pound. You keep asking to play that game. That's for adults, honey. You can play that when you get a little older.
That is when it's being older.
When you get a little older, then we'll bring it out. Okay?
I just get when it's older now.
But we can play with toys. That's more your age. Okay?
This is very big.
Yeah. It was yeah.
It's big. Mine big.
Oh, your brother's up. Aw, come here, buddy.
Oh, you want to go on the boat?
Huh?
I want to go on the boat.
Oh. Dog. The dog is barking at them. Say bye. The dog is barking. They're off. Oh my gosh, you can see them down the canal. Good morning, guys. We are going outdoors today. We decided, since the boat is now fixed. What is it? No, I'm not talking to Mama. I'm talking to my friends on YouTube. He thought Mama is his grandma, so he calls her Mama. So we decided to go on the boat today. The boat is finally fixed after 100 years. It's finally fixed, so we decided to just take the kids out and just hang out and relax. And the plan is to go for 2 hours before their nap time. So hopefully we make it back before their nap time, because they can get a little fussy without a nap. So I am just getting their things ready. I got the kids bags ready, and as I was getting their bags ready, the oldest is like, I want books, I want books. You see Daddy? Yeah, he's grabbing he's making sure we have everything on the boat. Yeah, like life jackets. Yeah, so he was like, I want a book, and I'm like, honey, we're gonna be on the water, like you can read later. So I'm just basically, yeah. He said come around. Okay, go around then. So I'm just basically grabbing the rest of the things that I need, like towels.
Mommy.
Yes, baby. Like, okay, so I'm grabbing towels because we're gonna need that. What happened?
Did that lock?
Oh, it's locked. He okay.
I see you.
Haha, you're locked out.
Wait, I'm not ready yet.
I have their sunscreen.
Your phone fully charged?
It's not fully charged.
Plug it in. How well that charger works.
Okay, so let me go ahead and plug it. So see y'all guys later. Because I'm gonna be using my phone to vlog, to record all this. So I need a full charge. So we are finally off. Do you know where we're going? There's like so many people out today. I'm actually surprised because I thought majority of everyone would be home. We're still social distancing, having fun in the meantime. The breeze feels so good. Oh my gosh, finally getting some sun. I don't have sunscreen on. Everybody have sunscreen on but me. I am enjoying this weather. It's gonna get hotter, you know that, right? Yeah, it's gonna get a lot hotter. The house is almost done. Remember when it was just flat? Where's the other one? I see one child. Okay, let me go look for the other child. Alright, I see both. So there's a cup right there. Police. So there's a cup right there, which means this is like shallow, like this is a shallow area right here, right? see it. Go there, but we can go here. What's the difference? No, but like, so that is not shallow. I'm trying to figure out what's the difference between that shallow spot and then this shallow spot. Okay, so we can't go to that sandbar. There's a cop there, but we can come here where you can see everybody already chilling.